Welcome to this tutorial video. Want to design a porcelain tile floor quickly? In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through the entire process and recreate this case step by step. Let's get started. Select the floor and click to enter Floor Editor. On the Floor Editor page, you can drag the upper right corner window to enlarge it as needed to allow real-time preview during subsequent operations. Click Tiles in the left sidebar. Select the porcelain tile at the top. Then click the desired material to apply it to the floor. Click the floor. Set the desired laying method in the paving section of the left panel. In the control section, you can adjust properties such as the laying position, angle, and gap value of the floor. In the pattern section, you can directly modify the dimensions. If you need to change the floor style, click the Replace button to select suitable material for replacement. After finishing the settings, click Exit with Save in the upper right corner. After rendering, you will get a satisfactory render image. That's all. Thanks for watching.